Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to just get right into the video. We're doing an unboxing video of my new adult toy, the Nespresso Vertuo. So I'm a big fan of the Nespresso brand. I have their cappuccino maker. It's very, very good. I love cappuccinos, but it's something that I have on occasion, maybe once or twice per week, because you want to make it special. I usually drink instant coffee, Nescafe, but I've been eyeing this machine for quite some time, but they're usually pretty expensive. So let's get to it. It's a big box. It's a little bit heavier than I expected it to be. So let's get to it. So front of the box, side of the box, back of the box, other side of the box, top of the box, bottom of the box. So these machines are usually about 200. The cheapest one they have is $209. It will do pretty much everything the other ones do, but this machine is about 250 or 260 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's one of these boxes. There we go. Unbox therapy. All right, so we have Greta Thunberg's favorite styrofoam packaging. This is for you, Greta. Love you. All right, so we have some books. So the beginning of something great, or if you're French, le début d'une belle histoire. Blah, blah, blah. So I'll just show you guys the book. So the book is actually pretty high quality. It's thick paper. I think it's poster board. So then you have your list of all the coffees that were available at launch with this machine. Obviously, there's a lot more coffees now. I'm very much looking forward to the flavored coffees like the chocolate and the vanilla ones, caramels, mocha. Right, and then the rest is the French version of the book. Then you have your machine book. My machine, ma machine. So this pretty much gives you the instructions of how to use it, the cleaning, and things like this. Does it come with the frother? I don't know if it comes with, I don't think it comes with the frother, but I already have a frother that I had from my cappuccino machine. So I didn't need one of those $300 to $500 virtual machines. Ooh, cable. What's this? So I'm guessing this is what the coffee cup stands on. I very much doubt they include any coffee cups. Oh, what's this? Right, so we got another box to look at. All right, so this is Nespresso what else? I don't know what else. I'll let you guys have the first gander of what could be inside the box. Right, you guys satisfied? Can I have a look at what I purchased? All right, thank you. All right. Yes, on nothing as well. Now, my turn to look. All right, cool. So it actually comes with, the cups are actually a lot bigger than I expected them to be. So it comes with a variety of flavors. So it comes with so you have your espressos, you have il cafe, altizio, Altesio decaffeinato, and then the Voltesso. If you're not Italian, too bad. I'm not Italian either. I'm Greek. Then you have your double espressos, so that's a double shot. So it has double espressos Chiaro, Bianco Leggero, Fortado, and Costa Rica. Then you have your coffees. So you have your Intenso, you have your Stormio, you have your Melosio, and then you have your Colombia, from Colombia, man. I don't like Colombians. That's not my quote, that's Scarface. I like Colombians. Alright, so we'll test the machine later. So, as always, you guys get to see before I ever see. So, Greta, I'm taking your styrofoam out. So this is the machine in the box. Wrapped up in plastic. All right, it's got a nice metallic finish. Imagine I drop the machine on camera. All right, so there's nothing else in the box. So I'm sure there's gonna be instructions in the order of how to redeem the 25 free capsules. So this is the machine. And then you have your water pitcher over here. And then you have your second water pitcher. So the base model, that's $120. That one comes with only one water pitcher. And with this one, you have more. M-O-A-R, more. So we have some tips. If you want to leave a tip, you can join once I activate the join feature. I haven't done so yet, but I'm thinking about it. So now so on the top, we have the locking mechanism. So that opens and closes your coffee compartment. So I've never operated one of these. I'm a man, I don't need to look at the instructions. I can figure it out. Or break it trying. All right, so it is unlocked, yep. And then you go. So you put your coffee cup right in there. Then the coffee, then you close it. Lock it. And then it drinks the water, Eli. I drink your milkshake, Eli.
And starts to drink your milkshake. I drink your milkshake. I drink it up!
Bonus points for those that get the reference. Leave a comment what movie that's from. If I have a straw and you have a straw, Eli, and you have a milkshake and your milkshake is all the way across the table, I drink your milkshake, Eli. I drink your milkshake. In this case, I drink your Nespresso. All right, so the next step is we're gonna test the machine, test the flavors, and see how good it is. So if you got this far to the video, leave a like, subscribe, and then come back for more videos. Now let's test out the coffees. Pretty snazzy, I like it. And then of course, this would be the high seat for your coffee.